I just finished renovating our latest fix and flip project in South Bound Brook, and you've got to see this home. Tell me you wouldn't love this brand new Eaton kitchen with granite countertops, white cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. This finished basement is the perfect hangout, game room, or family room. Don't miss your chance to own this incredible 3-bedroom ranch in South Bound Brook. Make an appointment to see it today.